let's look at online auction. In online auction, it brings traditional auction to customers around the globe. And also it can make it possible to sell a lot of goods and services across the globe than in traditional auction. It is based on the brokerage business model, and typically the organizations that is hosting the auction, it collects some transaction fee for the service. Online auctions are cost effective for selling excessive inventory. Some companies nowadays, they use also reverse auction, which invites sellers to submit bids for product and services. And so in other words, we can say that one buyer and many sellers, or one-to-many relationship. So the buyer can choose the seller that offer the service or product at the lowest price. Now let's look at what's collaborative planning, forecasting, and replenishment. This is being used to coordinate supply chain members throughout the point of sales, data sharing, and joint planning. In other words, any data collected with point of sale system can be shared with all members of the supply chain, which this action can be useful in coordinating product and planning for inventory needs. The goal is to improve operational efficiency as well as managing the inventory. There are some advantages. One of them decreases the merchandising inventory and logistic costs. CPFR ensures that inventory and sales data are shared across the supply chain so that everyone knows exactly about the sales and the inventory levels. The collaborative part of this process is the agreement between all the supply chain partners that establish how data is being shared. This agreement also encourages the retailers to share important data with the distributors and manufacturers, sometimes by offering better discounts. Retailers are also motivated to sell more to give themselves more leverage with the products that they're dealing with. Because the more product it sells, the better its bottom line. Even sometimes with agreement being in place, some problems can come up. So that for those, we call them exception, the exception management problem. So in order to handle these type of problems or exception management, we can actually use the management perspective to be able to handle these type of unforeseen problem, and using the lesson learned during this process in order to plan the future better. This diagram shows the process for CPFR. Basically, the data that is being collected is being shared with all the members of the supply chain, which, as we said, is useful in coordinating production and planning of the inventory needs. Now let's look at what is customer relationship management. Customer relationship management, or in other words, CRM, consists of the processes a company can use to track and organize its contact with the customer. The main goal of the CRM is to improve services that is being offered to the customers and use customer contact information for targeted marketing purposes. Businesses knows that keeping and maintaining current customer is less expensive than attracting new customers. An effective CRM is useful in meeting these type of goals. Marketing strategies in CRM system focuses on long-term relationship with customers instead of transactions. These strategies include identifying customer segment, improving products and services to meet customers' needs, improving customers' retention, and identifying a company's most profitable, or basically the loyal customers. CRM system can also help companies make better use of their data, information, and knowledge to understand their customers. CRM system can capture information about the customer interactions for sales personnel and customer service representative so that they can perform their job more effectively and efficiently. CRM is more than just tracking and organizing contacts with the customers. It gives organization more complete picture of their customers. CRM system include tools for conducting complex analysis on customer data, such as data warehouse and data mining tools. With these systems, companies can integrate demographic and other external data with customers' transaction data to better understand customers' behavior. For instance, a grocery store offering loyalty cards with discounts to their customer is an example of how transaction data can be used in the customer relationship management. Knowing that a customer, for example, bought 4 gallons of milk the previous week doesn't give a grocery store much information. But with loyalty cards, the store can actually track all sorts of information about a specific customers. So when customers, they apply for the loyalty cards, they can be asked to give some demographic information such as their name, age, their address. So they can actually know, for example, customer who was maybe 35 years old and from this type of zip code bought 4 gallons of milk last week. And then they can also see each week what do they buy or what kind of products is going to be more suitable for that type of demographic people. With a CRM system, a company can provide services and products that meet customers' demand. They can actually offer better customer service through multiple channels, such as, answering them through the internet very quickly, online, and things like that. And increase cross-selling and upselling of the products to increase revenue from existing customers. Also, CRM can help sales personnel close deals faster by offering data on customers' background, as well as retain existing customers and attracting new ones. CRM systems include some of these activities. One, sales automation, order processing, marketing automation, customer support, knowledge management, as well as personalization of the technology. CRM applications. Normally, CRM applications are being implemented with either online premises CRM or web-based CRM. Organizations with an established IT infrastructure sometimes choose the on-premise CRM, which is implemented much like any other IT systems. With the web-based CRM, the company accesses the application through their web interface instead of running the application on their own computers. And they pay software as a service fee, which is similar to web hosting services. The SaaS vendor, software as a service, also handles technical issues for the CRM as well. There are a lot of different software packages out there who are available for setting up a CRM systems. Amdoc CRM, Optima Technologies, Info CRM, SAP has also a CRM, Oracle PeopleSoft CRM, as well as Oracle Siebel CRM. All of these CRMs vendors, they all have similar features for their software packages. One of the features is Salesforce automation, which can help with controlling inventory, processing orders, tracking customers' interaction, as well as analyzing sales forecasts and performance. eCRM or web-based CRM, which allows web-based customer interaction, and it's used to automate email, call logs, website analytics, and campaign management. Survey management, automates electronic survey, polls, and questionnaires, which can be useful for gathering information on customers' preferences. And automated customer service, which is used to manage call centers and help desk, and basically they can answer the customer's question very quickly.